Hey everyone, it's Rans, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the new Apple Watch Series 8, discussing some of its new features, and giving you guys my overall impressions coming from a Series 5. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the new Apple Watch Series 8. So this year I went with the stainless steel 45mm version with the silver Milanese loop. I usually go with a darker color, but I wanted something different since my Series 5 is stainless steel graphite. The Milanese loop is one of my favorite Apple Watch bands because it's so classy and is perfect for those fancy night outs. You get the usual things when you buy the Apple Watch, like the manual and USB-C charging cable. I have to say, seeing the stainless steel silver, I'm really impressed. You can really see and feel the quality of the watch. I went with the 45mm version because I like having a bigger screen, and I find that the smaller version is too small and looks weird with my wrists. It's really simple to set up, and within a few minutes your watch is paired with your phone and ready to go. Now I'm jumping from a Series 5 and I can see a notable difference in screen size. It's bigger and the Series 8 screen wraps around the edges of the case more. Here's a comparison of both the Series 5 and Series 8. Next, let's talk about some of its new features. First is temperature sensing, which allows you to track your temperature while you sleep so you can see changes over time. I'm curious to try this out and to see if I'm getting good sleep or not. I also appreciate Apple adding in more women's health features like tracking your menstrual cycle, ovulation tracking, which can also be helpful for family planning. You can also get up to 36 hours of battery life using the new and improved low power mode. The new crash detection feature has an updated gyroscope and accelerometer to detect severe car crashes and alert emergency services. Now I hope we don't ever have to use this feature, but this is a great example of Apple not only making great devices, but making a device that can actually save our lives. I'm excited to dive into more of these features in my full review, so stay tuned for that. Overall, I'm really impressed and excited about the new Apple Watch Series 8. I was so tempted to get the Apple Watch Ultra, but I know I won't be utilizing it to its full potential. Since I work from home and use my Apple Watch mostly for working out and daily use, I find that the Series 8 fits most of my needs. I don't upgrade my watch every year, but this is a welcome upgrade. I think the Series 8 is a significant upgrade if you're coming from a Series 5 or lower. There's enough new features to make your experience worthwhile. Alright, so that is my overall first thoughts and impressions of the Apple Watch Series 8, and let me know down below if you guys are going to be upgrading this year. And if you want to see more content like this one, go ahead and press subscribe. But other than that, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace!